You are an Indian international student and you live in Melbourne and you're still cooking? Come on. All you have to do is go to AustralianGuide.tech, click on the tiffin service. They've collaborated with Shani Punjab. You can get a meal of 2 sabzis, 4 rotis in just $10. Free home delivery across multiple suburbs in Melbourne. Isn't that great? To be honest, it gets even better. If you're a client of Australian Guide, you can get up to 10% discount on catering services. Check this out. All you have to do is click on this banner and it takes you to the main website of Shani Punjab. There you go and you check out your suburb. There's a big list of Melbourne suburbs. You choose your suburb and then click on tiffin services. It takes you to the main menu. Now it's Indian, North Indian, South Indian, noodles, chaat, sweet dishes, everything. You name it. All the stuff you and I can't cook. Cooking is anyway a low ROI activity. You should not be cooking. If you're a man, you're cooking chaat for yourself, that's kind of zesty. You should not be doing that. You should be working at the time. If you are working and you want to invest your time and money in the right manner, order right now. It gets even better. If you are a client of Australian Guide, you get 10% off. Use that.